Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to be working on Home Links 2.2. Okay, for this problem, you are going to have to write a number model using a question mark for the unknown. You may use one of the diagrams below, or you can draw a picture to help you. You're going to solve the problem and then write your answer, and then explain how you know your answer makes sense. Okay, the problem. The second and third grade classes collected 750 cans to recycle. The second graders collected 300 cans. How many cans did the third graders collect? All right, let's read that again just to make sure we understand what it's saying. The second and third grade classes collected 750 cans to recycle. The second graders collected 300 cans. How many cans did the third graders collect? All right, let's go back and see what we know. We know that the second and third graders recycled 750 cans. We also know that the second graders collected 300 of those cans. So what it is we want to find out is we want to know how many cans did the third graders collect. Okay, so if we look at our diagram up there, we should be able to use our first one here to help us out, because we know the total, which is 750 cans, and we know one of the parts. And we know that one of the parts is 300, and that's the second grade cans. So we could put 750 is equal to 300 plus question mark. Okay, because that question mark represents the unknown of the third grade class. Okay, we could also represent that picture by taking our total number, which is 750, and just subtracting the number that the second graders collected. Okay, so we know here that our start number is 750. The change is going to be the 300 that the second graders had, and the end is going to be our question mark, which is going to be how many the third graders collected. Okay, so if we take that and we subtract 750 minus the 300 cans that the third graders or second graders collected, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0 would be 5, and then 7 minus 3 would give us 4. So 450 cans. So come down here and we're going to write our answer, 450 cans. Okay. And the last part is, does our answer make sense, and how do we know it? Well, I think it makes sense, so I'm going to put yes, and I think it makes sense because I have 450 cans, and if I take those 450 cans and I add that to the 300 cans that second grade had collected, I come up with the 750, which was my total number of cans collected. Okay, that's the end of 2.2.